So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this intro is going to be a short one. And guys, get ready to be square. And guys, get ready to be. And guys, get ready to be scared. Hit like and smash the subscribe button. Why? Because I'm going to start from his biography to the scary story. So this video is going to be a 3-part video. So watch the whole thing. Watch the whole video. If you don't, he will come for you. Who is he? Siren Head. So, Siren Head is a hostile, created and an urban legend created by the artist Trevor Henderson. It is a tall, mysterious, humanoid creature known for its odd appearance and the various sounds it emanates out of his head, which consists of a metallic pole with sirens attached to it. Biography. Origin. Originally, Siren Head was created back in 2018 by the Canadian horror type artist named Trevor Henderson, who is known for making various bizarre creatures over the internet. His other creations include cartoon cat, the country road creature, the bridge worm, the man with the upside down face, the smile room, the good boy, the red room, the lamp. Sorry, it's not the red room, it's the lamp, the man in the red room, the fitted king, the giants and the long horse. You guys want any one video on them, just let me know in the comments right below. So the first photo of Siren Head he made was the one featuring Siren Head at the graveyard, in which he wrote a story about. Henderson also mentioned that Siren Head is very similar to the famous creepypasta character named as today known as Slenderman, as both of the characters got edited into real life photos, with a story being written regarding them. Henderson also goes on to explain that Siren Head isn't a human, although Siren Head does have a voice and can possibly speak a language. Specifically, Siren Head does not have any eyes. अंधा है वो बेटा. So it is possible that Siren Head uses other senses in order to orientate in space, like echolocation. Though Siren Head's use of camouflage says otherwise, according to Henderson, people all over the world started sending their own pictures to Henderson with the intention of having Siren Head or another cryptid made by Henderson get added into the image. In Trevor mythos. Siren Head is a 40-foot tall humanoid creature with a heavily emaciated near skeletal frame covered in dried mummified flesh, the color of rusty metal. Its limbs are disproportionately long and thin, with arms as long as its legs, ending in huge bony hands, where its head and neck will be as a thin pole of flesh with two sirens attached to them and several black wire snaking around its neck and into its upper shoulder, pressed against its abdomen. These speakers and the only metal parts of its body fused to the neck by tendrils of the skin and capable of revolving around it much like the head of an owl. Some images depict siren head speakers with totally lipless human-like jaw and a long, retractable, thin, snake-like tongue. Though Henderson has said that the teeth are only visible on a certain radio frequency. True to its name, siren head speakers can play various types of loud noises, typically air raid sirens, garbage music, conversation imitation of people close to the victims, number station broadcast or emergency broadcast. Trevor has revealed that siren head is also able to pick up sounds it hears from the airwaves and repurpose them. And while it doesn't make sense to us, it is a distinctive distortion in the voices is always present due to the sound being played through sirens instead of vocal cords or other organic means of creating noise as expected. Siren head is very hostile and dangerous. Siren head is mainly located in rural towns and the wooded areas. The victims of siren heads are lost travelers, hikers, and even Kunal Kamra. Children. If the sound of someone in distress are released, it can be a method of siren head trying to lure the victim into the woods. Since siren head can blend in very well, look out for him. He can be in your closet, kapat, or in your fridge. Look out for him. Within trees, people do not notice. It could make its brutal attack any time and capture its victim while the sound of the loved ones are being played from the siren head's siren. Hunting tactics. The most common hunting tactics used by siren head is blending into the environment. This usually consists of heavy woodlands and rural areas. It has the ability to mimic the voices of the people close to you, effectively luring them in. It is currently not known for sure what siren head does to the victim once caught. Theories include eating them or simply making them disappear without a trace, adding them to the roster of voices used by it. Sightings. The first sightings the first sighting of siren head occurred in 1966 when a family on a vacation in Arizona desert captured an image of siren head near two telephone poles. About 30 years later, on July 1995, Chad and his were hiking in the woods of Tony and Creek where the siren had to be lurking. According to Chad, his friends got snatched by something gigantic striding throughout the trees which mimic their voices. Chad was found alive with few injuries while the friends were gone, either taken for or killed by siren head. In total, there have been about 9 reports of siren head that were released by the victims. Siren head on the streets of Indiana, where citizens started disappearing. However, these many incidents are not the first deception of siren head. Ancient cave painting depicting him engaged in combat with ancient humans have been found all over the continent of North America, which Indiana indicates that the siren head is not a new species on Earth. There have been also sightings of creatures that resemble siren head but lack similar features, though these sightings are implied to just be the same head shape shifting into different forms to adopt the new environment. As Trevor confirmed that siren head is the only one of its species. About his creature possibility being part of a species, he drops name siren head, Longhorse, Bonesworth and Mr. Mascot as a few of these monsters that are the only one of their kind. Siren head, where it appears to have a head resembling a streetlight standing in a position where it's trying to blend in with the other streetlight lining the sidewalk. It is very possible that siren head has the ability to transform into a car. I'm joking. Into the various structures in order to better blend into the surroundings and lure its victim. However, there are also theories that siren head is actually a hostile species, that there used to be a lot of creatures similar to siren head which are now deceased, and siren head is the last remaining member of his species and is always on the move to eat and survive. Sightings of siren head, which is noticeably very different from the usual sightings. A variation of siren head with many more sirens in its neck, with about 5 being visible. How a majority of a population, either of a neighborhood or a small town, were found dead in their homes or on the streets with burst eardrums and soft tissues, which is odd as Siren Head has not done anything similar to this before. The fact that many of the corpses were not taken for by Siren Head has led someone to theorize that it killed them for sport. Through this theory is not confirmed, as many people meaning that they might could have been taken by Siren Head for food or other reasons. It is still unknown why Siren Head had used this unconventional killing tactic. So if you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay at home, or else you know what's coming next. And if you don't watch this video, he will come to your balcony and take you away. Yes, I'm talking to you.